channel. My name is Adam and she is Yoko. Today we have a very easy and delicious recipe for you. We are gonna make a vegetable soup. So simple. So as you have seen in other videos, I'm not very strict with the ingredients. So for this recipe, you can modify the ingredients that you like the most. Yoko, ¿qué haces? So stay with us and let's get started with the ingredients.
For this recipe, we are going to need 3 slices of bacon, 1 small onion, you can use a red or a white one, a clove of garlic, 1 zucchini, 2 tomatoes, 2 carrots, half a pumpkin, and a small vegetable stock cube. This recipe is super easy. It's just frying all the ingredients and then letting them cook for an hour. We are going to cook the bacon into small pieces, and in a pot we are going to put a little olive oil. Add the bacon. Be careful with the fire. Put it over medium-low heat, and while it's frying, we will peel the garlic and the onion. We are going to chop it very finely and add it to the pot. As you can see, the bacon has to be very toasty, very crispy. Add the onion and garlic. Stir a little, and we are going to continue cutting the rest of the vegetables. Always keep an eye on the pot that doesn't burn. We will only need half of the pumpkin. Peel it well, and we will cut it into cubes. Peel the carrots and cut them into small pieces as well. Add the pumpkins and the carrots to the pot and stir very well. I like to have a strong fire, but then you have to be watching and stir it more often. While we saute the pumpkin and carrots, we are going to chop the zucchini. The same. This as you like. If you like bigger pieces, then bigger. If you like smaller, cut them smaller. I make them more or less like half a centimeter, 1 centimeter. Add the zucchini to the pot and continue stirring. Now you have to poach all the vegetables well. I like to put it over high heat so that they brown a little. This will take you about 10-15 minutes. Once they are softer, we are going to add the 2 tomatoes in pieces, and we continue stirring. We are going to let all the vegetables cook for another 10 or 15 minutes. We add 1.5 liters of water and the vegetable broth cube. If you have vegetable broth, perfect, use it. At the moment, I'm not going to add salt because the cube has enough salt. Once the soup is ready, I will try it, and if needs salt, I will add a little. Once we put the water in, cover and cook over medium-low heat for an hour. Well, the soup is ready. I make quite a lot, so what I do first is put in tuppers what I am not going to eat today. And in the pot, I leave the soup that I am going to eat today, and I like to add a little pasta, in this case some stars. But you can add whatever you have, noodles, even broken macaroni, whatever you want from pasta. Even if you like it, you can also add a little rice. Let it cook for the time put in the packets for about 4 or 6 minutes, and that's it. I like to serve it with crunchy croutons. You are going to love it.
It's incredible that it's just a few vegetables and it's so tasty. I love this crunchy bread on top. We will see you in the next video. Bye!